Hi, I'm just recording this quick so you can see what I was thinking here. Now, in this chart, what we'll do, we're going to use this for some planning to get ourselves organized and get our activities in one place. You're going to hear some stuff in the background. I told my family not even to worry because this is just really quick, just for your information. So what you'll do here, this is a chart which tells you ELA, science, social studies, SEL, mindfulness, extra activities. This is the same way that 4th and 5th grade did their planning. So for 2 weeks worth of work, they're doing 3 ELA, 3 science, 2 social studies, 2 mindfulness. Oh, I don't have a math. I'm going to put a math in there too. So, but what you'll do is you will say, let's say I'm a teacher. First thing, sign up for a task. I want to do this one. Now, you will, another teacher will sign up with you. You could sign up with the teacher, but like 2 to 3 teachers will sign up for each content here. And then I am responsible and my partner are responsible for 3 lessons in ELA. Then, what kind of lessons? We're going to find and create activities that can, ELA activities in this case. You can have Seesaw activities like we found in the community. And you can also have offline activities, meaning something that you'll give them a PDF or something, a task to do, and then they'll have to do it off of the computer, okay, not using an activity. Yep, that's my dog drinking from the bowl. So let me show you one from the activity. So if I come to Seesaw and I went to the community and found an activity that I really liked, I went into remote home learning and found a fun one. So I tapped the heart so that it came to mind, this storytelling with drawings. Now, if I go down here, I can not see this because there we go. Over here, these dots, first of all, I can copy and edit the activity. So I come in here and I can customize it, choose a drawing and use your imagination. This is, how about draw a picture and use your imagination to tell a story, okay? Because I think that's a little bit more clear. And then I could save it. Then these dots down here, I'm going to share the activity. I'm going to get the activity link like I showed you in our little workshop. Then I'm going to come back here and I'm going to say, I'm going to put that link in there. And this was called, what was it called? Storytelling with drawings. So I'll come up here, storytelling with drawings. Okay? Lesson 2. Let's say lesson 2, what we're going to do is something from another resource. Okay, and let's say my name is Mary Smith, and I'm going to do, I found a cool STEAM activity actually in your stuff. So there's a STEAM activity, and I have it here. It's called STEAM Activities That Kids Can Do at Home. And I have this in my downloads folder. So I'm going to come back here. STEAM Activities That Kids Can Do at Home. Then this one is going to be, it's going to be a PDF. And then what you would do, I'm going to come to Google Drive. Let me do it this way. So up here, there's a link to it. I'm going to click that link, and I'm going to the PDFs for Seesaw. I would go New, File Upload, go into my Downloads folder where it is, and there it is. And it's not exactly the activity. And actually, what I can even do in here, I can go Control, click, rename, get rid of that. Okay. Okay. So those are the 2 ways you can add ideas here. And what you could also do too is just put some PDFs up there, and then we can decide if we want to turn it into an activity or just leave them as a PDF. But this is just a place for us to start coming together and to start sharing some resources and ideas. Okay. Hope that helps.